Hi, welcome Priya. I usually upload videos on Tuesdays or Saturdays or both on fashion, beauty, stitching, styling and reuse ideas. Today's video is Get Ready with me. In this video, I'll be sharing one of my hairstyle which I carried with any ethnic wear, one makeup look and the final look how it turned out with my dress. So let's begin with the hairstyle. Before doing any hairstyle, I would recommend to first remove knots and reverse comb it to do any. Once you are done, first remove middle parting, then starting from the one side, take sections right from the crown area till to the ears. Keep twisting it slowly and then twist it again and pin it at the back. For this, I'm using two hairpins. You can use a rubber band to do this. Secure it tight as much as you can but comfortable at the same time. Once you are done on one side, repeat the same on the other side and there you are done with half of it. At this point of time, you can add a clip or hair jewelry with flower or anything else like a hair brooch and your bun is done. For the bun, I am rolling my hairs tight again as much possible, making it comfortable. I'll twist it and roll it and add an extra net as I'm adding a net covering to secure it tight. Next, I'm using hair accessories which you can twist and use as per your hairs. This made my hairs look good and me look beautiful. In case if you do want to do this the seam and your hairs are short, you can use an artificial starch at the place of the bun. Place it and then use a net on the hairstyling and then hairstyling accessories. And there your hairstyling is done. Coming to makeup, I would recommend to wash or cleanse your face with cleanser before any makeup. I have mentioned this earlier in my basic makeup tutorial for light occasions. This makeup look is even lighter than that, which will basic things which are very much needed for my skin. I am sharing a makeup look which is quick to do and can be done for daily office goers and can be carried to a very close by places. I'll also bring heavy makeup looks for special occasions too, if I get a good response for this. Next, for applying any makeup, for the base, you can apply a BB cream or moisturizer. This is especially needed for winter season or if the skin has some roughness. Here I'm directly applying the concealer without using any BB cream or moisturizer after cleansing my face. I'm applying it with my thumb finger, dab, pressing it, spreading it with my thumb finger. If you don't wish to do the same, too, you can use a thumb finger or if not, a pancake brush or a sponge to blend it and spread it. For buying a concealer, please buy it as per your tone, not darker or lighter. Apply slightly more to the darker parts of your face and apply slightly less to the other parts to make it look even and blend it well. You can apply concealer to your ears and neck portion too to make your face and body look even. For daily use, I like using this talcum powder, which is my choice. You can apply talcum powder or compact powder for this step. Once done, I will do my eye makeup. As I don't get a proper night's sleep, I have dark eyes and darker eyeshadows. So I apply a light eye makeup. I use this a lighter tone on my lower eyelid and just below my eyebrows and a slightly darker tone matching my dress on my eyeshadows directly on my eyes. On my eyeshadows. Blend it well with the eyeshadow brush or any finger or sponge. Then apply a thin layer of kajal and on the lower eyelid and an eyeliner on the upper eyelid. With this, my quick makeup look completes. Fit, I choose a pure cotton kurta, palazzo pant and dupatta set. I purchased this dress online and I felt I should have got a size larger for myself as it fits slightly tighter than my usual dressing style. Anyway, the silver gota patti detailing complements the look. The color of this kurta, palazzo and dupatta set has 3 shades of blue with black dots and white color. The best part of this dress is the gota patti detailing is even at the bottom of the palazzo pant. Drawback is the dupatta is quite small. Anyways, I like the dress and the look I carried for my one casual day for work. Give it a try for yourself, and I tell you it will work well for you too. Add a silver jewelry of your choice to complement it, and you are set. With this, I complete my one day get to ready look for the first time.